Hello, I'm Jassen, Environmental Product Manager here at Seametrics. Today we're going to cover how to replace a desiccant on a vented level sensor.
To replace the desiccant in the Seametrics vented cable, you're going to first want to get some supplies. The Seametrics desiccant tube refill bottle, a new water trap, 3 zip ties, and something to cut the existing zip ties off and trim back the new zip ties when you're done. You're going to need this dish to capture the spent desiccant. The desiccant on this tube is brand new, and we can tell because it's still very blue. As the desiccant starts to wear and absorb moisture, it'll start to get clear to the point that it gets completely clear, a little pink, and it's time to replace. We're going to go ahead and replace this desiccant, just as a demonstration. Start by trimming the zip ties off. Then we can disconnect this desiccant tube with the push-pull fitting. With the zip ties off, the new tube gets disconnected. You might find it easier to replace the desiccant from this end. We're going to go ahead and take the water trap filter off. Replace that in a minute. I'm going to put it in the dish so I don't mix it up with a new one. I'm going to wiggle out the push-pull fitting. You'll find that inside is a little foam piece. If you find the little foam piece hard to access, simply use a pair of tweezers and pull it out and save that for later. Now we can dump out our desiccant. Reason why we use a bowl is we don't want to make a mess. You'll find it helps to squeeze the tube if there's any jams. Like so. Now our tube is empty. We're going to inspect the tube, make sure it's still usable condition before we replace the desiccant. When you obtain your bottle of desiccant, a brand new bottle is going to have a sealed tip. I've already pre-cut that tip to a large enough opening that will allow the desiccant beads to roll out. But there's a little ring there that still holds the cap on. I don't trim past that. I'll take my new tube, or my existing tube, and pour desiccant in. With the desiccant refilled, we can now put in a little foam block. Push back in the push-pull connector. Replace the water trap. And reconnect to the vent tube by pushing in and then pulling back, making sure it locks. Next, we're going to go ahead and zip tie where we had the zip ties previously. Put one in the middle. And one more at the end. Once we have those zip tied on, we'll go ahead and trim. And that is a successfully done desiccant replacement on a vented Seametrics pressure sensor.